Only a Witch Can Fly by Alison McGhee, illustrated by Taeeun Yoo. If you were a young witch who had not yet flown, and the dark night sky held a round yellow moon, and the moon shone light on the silent broom, and the dark cat beside you purred, sore, would you too begin to cry because of your longing to fly? The dark night around you fills with fly, and the bright yellow moonlight shines down. Cat by your side purrs a gentle bye-bye, and the owl stares up at a star so far. Your heart tells you now, and you can walk to the door. Cat arches his back and croons, soon. You stroke dear cat and slip from your home in the woods by the fire, cauldron and hat, brown velvet bat, and the too small robe you once wore. Far above are the stars you love, singing their faraway tune. But black cat beside you hums, poor you, poor, poor. How awful it is not to fly in the sky. With the moon and the stars so high, and the smoke rising up like a plume, black cat beside you cries, look at the stars. And brown velvet bats echo sigh. You pick up the broom and you turn to the moon and you count. 1, 2, 3, 4. And into the sky you soar. Black cat arches and sings higher, higher. Oh, higher, high. And the dark hearth below is gone. Above you the night birds circle and croon. Did you ever know you could fly so high? The top of the sky is so far, so far. The moon trails fire through a reservoir, and you are earthbound no more. Who could make known it was such a big sky? Bat and owl below wave bye-bye, and cat calls a velvet song to the moon. And you have flown. You have flown. Hold tight to your broom and float past the stars, and turn to the heavens and soar. For only a witch can fly past the moon. Only a witch can fly. Good night. I love you.